The motherboard. Understanding how a motherboard works is essential for building, upgrading, and troubleshooting computers. The motherboard is the foundation of your computer. Think of it as like the central nervous system, connecting and facilitating communication between various components. It is a multi-layered circuit board with traces that connect various components and allow data to flow between them. To understand how a motherboard works, let's break down its key components and functions. The CPU socket is where the central processing unit is installed. It provides the interface between the CPU and the rest of the components on the motherboard. The chipset consists of multiple microchips that manage data flow between the CPU, memory, storage, and peripherals. The chipset manages data exchange between the RAM and other components. It also controls system features like USB ports, SATA connectors, and PCI Express slots. RAM slots hold the memory modules that provide fast access to data for the CPU. Expansion slots such as a PCI Express allows you to connect your graphics cards, sound cards, and network cards. They provide high-speed data pathways between these cards and the CPU. The basic input-output system and unified extensible firmware interface is firmware that initializes hardware components during boot up and provides configuration options. This firmware also serves as a bridge between the operating system and hardware. The motherboard you choose will include ports such as USB, SATA, Ethernet, audio jacks, and video outputs such as HDMI and VGA. They allow you to connect peripherals and devices to the motherboard. The motherboard distributes power from the power supply unit to various components, including the CPU, RAM, and expansion cards. The motherboard has what is called a clock generator. It generates clock signals that synchronize the operations of different components, ensuring they work together harmoniously. The bus system consists of data pathways that allow different components to communicate. The front-side bus or direct media interface facilitate data transfer between the CPU, chipset, and other parts of your PC. Voltage regulators regulate and supply the appropriate voltage levels to the CPU, ensuring stable and efficient operation. The CMOS battery powers the motherboard's real-time clock and BIOS settings, ensuring they're retained even when the computer is turned off. This concludes Lesson 2. Please continue to the next lesson and thanks for watching.